welcome back to another one of my cryptocurrency update videos. I hope you're all good. I'm covering Trias today, and I'm going to start off by giving some longer term targets because someone asked me that in the comments, and obviously we don't know when a target will hit, but I'll give some higher targets that could potentially hit in the future at some point. So I'm going to start off on the weekly time frame with a fib from swing high to swing low. And we can see here, I'm just going to get rid of this, that our next target for Trias is getting above the 1 fib level here. Obviously first we need to be getting above the 0.618 and the 5 fib level, so we need to be getting above $9.94 and $12 before we even think about getting to this 1 fib level at $27. But I'm giving some targets here, and I will just put these little bits, these little lines here to remind us. So I've got one target here at the 1 fib level. That would then mean the next target would be at the 1.618 at $91. And then after that we could be hitting the 2, the 272 and the 2414. So the 2 is lining up with $198, and we'll do the top one, which is lining up at $452, which obviously incredible prices that they are a fib target, so hopefully we will see them one day. Oh, my dad texting me. Oh, there we go. So yeah, obviously we need to be getting above this golden pocket area first before even thinking about hitting these targets, but there are some longer term targets for you guys, for the people that asked in the comments, so just wanted to include that at the beginning. But for the weekly time frame, it's still looking good. We haven't lost these lows yet. We're holding support nicely on this red line here at about $3.88. So that's looking really good at the moment, creating that higher low. Also looks like a W pattern with one bottom here and one bottom here. So once we've broken this neckline at this $27 mark, that will then validate our target, which would take us, let's just get a little target for that. Carry that to the breakout. Straighten it up. Oh, I don't know. But yeah, that once we do break out of that the target for that is $289, and it would be a valid target once we've broken above these levels here. So obviously that would be amazing, but time will tell, guys. Only time will tell. But yeah, we've got a W pattern in play here once we've broken above this area here, basically. So let's have a look on the daily. Yeah, and on the daily time frame, I did draw the other day this smaller falling wedge here, because obviously we were respecting its resistance, holding as support, and we've found a level now, and obviously this is a bullish pattern, so once we break out of this area we would have a technical target then to $6.47 as like a shorter term target. And it looks like here we are trying to form like a bottoming out structure, like a small double bottom, one bottom, two bottom, obviously very small, but it still could mean we're going to break out of this, coming back to find support to continue getting above our 20 moving average. We could then get stopped out at the 55 moving average, but I'm going to sneeze. Sorry. But obviously we know that this is the next target from the 20 moving average. And if we do stop out here, we could just come down and pull up to this support resistance area here. But yeah, it's looking really good so far, guys. Let's do a fib from swing high to swing low. So yeah, as we know, once we've broken out of this, getting above the 382 would mean we've come out of this falling broadening wedge. And that means that we can then get above our 618 level here. So we need to be getting above $5.19 before we validate this target up here. So I can put another little line there, just so we know that once we're above this target, we are going to then hopefully head up to hit our 1 fib level, our technical target here. And we do know that when we come out of a falling wedge, we use these highs here as small targets on the way up, and that one does line up with the 0.618. So it's confluence that, yeah, okay, we are going to get above our 0.618 because it is a target, but when, we don't know. And obviously we don't, if we get stopped out here, then we could end up falling back down to these previous areas just here. So quickly on the 4 hour, just to go through quick, guys. So on the 4 hour, you can see here we've had a lot of resistance at the 20 moving average, and we respected that for a long time, finding a lot of resistance, you know, a bit of indecision here and there. And now we can see from this last 4 hour candle here that we did manage to form a big kind of bullish hammer kind of candle here with a big body and a wick at the bottom. And oh no, there is a wick at the top as well, so it's more of just a nice green candle. If there was no wick here, it'd be like a bullish hammer if it was full of body, but there is a little bit of a wick there. But anyway, we've actually managed to come and break above our 20 moving average now, which is really good signs on the 4 hour. It looks like now we could be coming down to find support here, But if we do, then that's fine, because that's a healthy chart. We've pushed up, have a little retrace down to then head up and hit our 55 moving average, or we can just go up and hit it straight away and then come down. Depends what the chart wants to do. But also, I'm seeing another good thing, which is a sort of ascending triangle pattern here on the 4 hour. And then if I just come from here. So yeah, we can now have drawn it out. You can see that we've come up, resistance, 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 come back down for support, up now, and then we're just on the cusp now of breaking out of that, which would validate a target of, if it does play out and we do end up breaking above this, we could get a target up to $5.27, which would be great. It's a really nice price to see. Getting above, remember, when you break out of the falling wedge, you come and hit the previous highs, and that would make perfect sense because we're coming back and hitting a previous high here, hitting our first target out of our falling wedge. So it would make perfect sense for that to happen, for that scenario to play out. But obviously, if we do lose this, we'll probably be coming back to test this red line again at $3.89. But yeah, guys, hopefully now we see that we've got a pattern in play. Hopefully we can break out. We've got a technical target. I've given you some longer term price targets as well. I just want to say, I think we hit 200 subscribers. I say I think because on my channel it says 200, but on YouTube Studio it says 199. But either way, thank you so much. I did want to hit it before the end of Feb, so I'm taking it that I did from the YouTube channel. But thank you so much, guys. Just subscribe, like, and comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.